We're gonna style it. Just
We are going to style
There you
it.
go. You and I.
You and I. Hey guys, I just got this belt off of Poshmark and we are going to style it for a museum date. What I really want to do with this belt is wear it with a pair of jeans and probably a corset. So I picked this one. It goes with the color. Now we're gonna do jeans. I have these vintage Levi's as well. Loving it. A low-waisted vibe. Don't have a lot of slack because it's low-waisted. Yeah, it's a vibe.
Now let's pick shoes.
Okay, let's do the shoes. These really cute, another vintage find Prada shoes. The sun comes out for one day. We have the Tony Biancos. There's also this vibe too. I had to phone in a friend, but we're gonna go with a pointy toe heel. Let me know what you guys think though. Let's pick a bag between this or my YSL bags. What's our vibe?
I like the small one.
You like the small one? I like the small one too, actually. Final look. Museum outfit.